Good day there. Brad Perry's the name. I'm from Brad's Sound Company here in Darwin in the Northern Territory. The next 2 days are pretty special days for the Filipino community here. The annual Barrio Fiesta. There'll be 2 days of entertainment, song, dances, stalls, 2 wonderful days of entertainment. And Brad's Sound Company set up a pretty big rig inside to cover the whole complex. Why don't we go inside and we'll have a look how we set it all up and how it's all going to work. Okay, let's have a look inside. Now, okay, here we have a couple of little 12-inch Wharfdales. They're set for the outside, broadcasting out here for all the people at the stalls tomorrow. Now, these are set on a delay in front of house for 126 milliseconds. So why don't we go in and we'll see the next set of delay speakers. Come inside. Okay, well, let's have a look at the delay stacks at the rear of the hall. Up here we've got Peavey QW2s, very nice loudspeaker. Now these speakers have got a 15-inch woofer, 4-inch compression driver up there, and they're 1600 watts program, very capable loudspeakers. Now these are 18 metres from the front of house, and we've set these at 73 milliseconds delay. So let's go up to the front of house and have a look up there. Okay, now for the front of house. Down here, the 2 Peavey QW 218s. So we've got 4 18-inch woofers there, 3200 watt programs per CAD. Now we're putting each woofer 1250 watts at 8 ohms. Very good for damping factor, very tight bass in these units. Up the top, again the Peavey QW2. You'll notice the tilt angle. It's tilting forward at about 10 degrees. That's to eliminate or reduce the amount of reflections off the iron roof. When the hall is full of people, of course, most of the people near the front will get direct sound from the horn, and the people absorb the sound and eliminate a lot of reflections off the concrete floor. Okay, let's have a look what's powering all these loudspeakers. Now, the most important thing, of course, is the digital processor, the loudspeaker controller. This is Peavey's VSX26. One of its many functions, of course, is the crossover, and today we're using it for delays for the rear speakers. Now, the main amplifiers for the bass, Peavey's 4R80s, they're 4080 watts, 2040 watts per channel. Again, for the mids, 4800s, for the highs, the Peavey CS2000. And for the stage foldbacks or monitors, we're running the CS3000. That puts out 650 watts a channel at 8 ohms. Let's go up on the stage and have a look what we've got up there. Okay, we'll have a look at the stage monitors now. These are all Peavey's SP15Ms. 15-inch woofer, 90 by 40 dispersion horn. Now these fellas will handle 1000 watts program. We're using 650 watts at 8 ohms. Now, you'll notice these speakers here have been rotated. That allows the horns to spread at 90 degrees across the stage, and these will be used mainly for music for the dancers. There'll be a lot of dancing tonight, traditional Filipino dancing, and these will be great for the dancers up here on the stage. So why don't we go down now and have a look at the front of house engineer's position. Okay, so let's have a look at the front of house engineer's position. Obviously the first thing, the most important component back here is the sound desk. This is a Yamaha IM38, 32 channel, very nice analogue board. Most of the features you'll find on any professional board, and it works very, very well for us. Now we'll have a look at the effects rack, see what we've got. Over here, 2 stereo Mexican effects units, 2 Peavey stereo compressors here. We've got Personas, 8 compressors, gates here. Down here, Peavey 131 EQ. This particular one we're using for the mono, which is low frequency or bass. Come down here now for the front of house, left and right front of house, and then all the auxiliary EQs. Down here the power source for the Yamaha board. Let's have a look over here. Double CD player here, and again more EQs for the monitor mixers. Trusty laptop, J4 radio stereo line driver, and it's a pretty good setup. We can get pretty good quality sound out of this rig, and we're going to have some pretty good sound tonight. So Brad Perry signing off. Bye for now.